Class 12 English. Going Places Question and Answers Part 1. Who is the writer of Going Places? Hans A. R. Barton, a modern writer who lives in Zurich and writes in English, is the author of the short story Going Places. Why was it most likely that the two girls would find work after school? Hans, for the two girls from financially poor background, the biscuit factories would be the working place most likely as their ears were marked so. Who is Dirk? Hans, Dirk is the younger brother of the dominating character in Going Places, that is Sophie. Who is Jeff? Hans, Jeff is the elder brother of Sophie, who is a motor mechanic by profession in a distant garage. Who is Danny Casey? Hans, Danny Casey is a younger Irish footballer who plays for United Club and draws the love of Sophie. For whom does Sophie ask Casey an autograph? Hans, according to Sophie's fancies, she asks Danny Casey an autograph for her little brother Derek. Does Sophie really meet Danny Casey? Hans, no, Sophie does not meet Danny Casey in real. The story of her meeting Casey is a concocted one. Which is the only occasion that Sophie gets to see Casey in person? Hans, Sophie gets to see Casey in person on Saturday when she makes her weekly pilgrimage to watch the match of United Club. In what way was Jancy different from Sophie in Going Places? Hans, Sophie was a dreamer. She had dreamed of becoming an actress, a fashion designer, a manager, or the owner of a boutique. Her dreams were impractical as she belonged to a poor middle-class family. On the other hand, Jancy was a realist. She knew that she and her friend were earmarked for a biscuit factory. She was sensible and wise. What kind of world did Sophie dream of? Hans, Sophie dreamed of a world full of name frame. There was no limit to her dreams. She wanted to buy a boutique. She had no option to be a fashion designer, an actress or manager. She even dreamt of meeting Danny Casey, a great football player. After all, Sophie's dream world is a sophisticated and full of romantic flavor.